with Valentine's just a day away, it is practically impossible to get a restaurant reservation.
But don't worry, folks, because Kristen Manolis, the creator of Decor in a Box, is here now to show us how to plan a romantic Valentine's evening at home. Thanks so much for being with us. What a great idea.
Thank you. I have one thing to say to all of you watching a show. Are you listening? Pamper your partner.
Ooh.
Not just today, not just on Valentine's Day, but every day. Pamper your partner.
It's so important because people love to feel appreciated. Those little things that you do where you just are a little extra thoughtful.
Absolutely.
So touching.
It's true. And this is a great way to start.
Of course, on Valentine's Day, you can start off by pampering your partner with a delicious breakfast in bed. Who doesn't like breakfast in bed?
Perfect.
And then continue on and prepare a lovely, luxurious bath where you can pick out different scents, different products, whether it be salt baths, gels, lotions.
And I guess you can
pamper
pick
them all day long.
that they particularly love. Like if they think vanilla is just the sexiest thing, then select that fragrance, right?
What a great idea. And little candles, don't forget those. I have to tell you, we one year didn't go out to dinner and did something at home with the children, and we did little rose petals, and then we all had our swimsuits on in the jacuzzi tub. It's something they'll never forget.
No,
So
really,
some of those things you do at home are really just as fun as going out to dinner, and actually even more memorable.
Absolutely.
For many different reasons. Okay, then we'll move along over here.
Now, obviously, when you go out to dinner, one of the things that draws people to making a restaurant reservation is that it seems easy. At home, seems like it's a lot of preparation and a lot of work, but you help people out with this, right?
I do help people out with this. This is a product of mine. It's called Decor in a Box, and essentially Decor in a Box is all of the beautiful tabletop settings that you would need. So long ago are the days where you needed to spend a tremendous amount of time going from store to store looking for the right product or searching the web. Now you can go to my website, www.kristenmanolis.com, and at a click of a mouse you can choose from all of your beautiful tabletop settings, and you can even have them delivered to you the next day.
Oh, it looks so professional.
Even with the menu.
Menu, all table price.
Oh, right here. That's adorable.
Yeah.
And as you said, so easy, so one-stop shopping.
That's right, because some people, it's intimidating to try to put this together yourself, but it comes in a box. I mean, how much easier can you get than that?
For men. The men that want to really impress their first dates or have a special evening for their wife, they don't know exactly how to do this, but they can now easily have a beautiful table.
Well, you kind of brought up a great point, too. Now, for us, we've been married for a couple years. This is something to really spice things up fun. How about for a couple who's been dating just a couple months?
Oh, I think that there's no reason you can't have a lovely candlelight dinner. I mean, it's wonderful conversation over a beautiful meal with a beautiful table set. I think that's appropriate for someone that's been dating.
That does as well. A lot of people ask, well, what do you buy for somebody in that situation if you've only just started dating? In this case, you've clearly you're almost giving a gift of the heart as opposed to having to put a monetary value on it, which is kind of a good way to dodge that whole bullet.
We're going to run over here, and this is a great idea. Just really a true treasure for Valentine's Day.
Encompassing a cozy night in, and what I suggest is to really snuggle up with a throw blanket, enjoy sipping some champagne, chocolates, maybe watch a romantic movie, or what my husband and I like to do is on our Valentine's Day, we reminisce and we go back to our wedding day, and we watch our wedding video, we look over our sign-in book.
That's lovely.
That's our way to relive the best day of our life, our wedding day.
That's perfect. This is my kind of a date right here.
It's really good, for you with the marriage, and then I suppose if you're a little bit earlier on in your relationship, you can pick a movie that maybe isn't too,
hot and heavy.
Exactly, suggestive romantically. Something like, you got some good picks here. Love Actually, that's a really cute one.
Oh, great movie.
And don't forget the yummy chocolate. And if you're, just been dating for a few months, it's probably not a good idea to bring out wedding ideas.
Don't do that. Let us lay low for a little bit.
Absolutely. All right, well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Really appreciate your help.
You guys don't celebrate Valentine's Day, right? It's every day.
Every day is Valentine's Day.
Oh, that's a really nice attitude. Molly would like that too, since she's not so keen on the Hallmark holiday. Anyway, for more tips on how to create your own Valentine in a box, go to iVillagelive.com. And talking of Molly, what did you think of that, Molly? Was that better?